Hi dears, how are you? Yes, this is our EVS class. Today we are going to learn and discuss about one interesting topic. Okay, before that I will show one picture. See this picture, do you know who is he? Yes, he was the king. The king name was Karigala Chola. Okay, why the king got this name means in his childhood age he met one accident. He met one fire accident. So his leg was affected by the fire accidents. That's why he got this name, Karikal Chola. Okay, Karigala Chola. Okay, do you know about him? See this picture. What is this picture? What is the dam name? Do you know? Yes, Kallanai Dam. In English, Grand Anicut. Okay, Grand Anicut. It was built by the King Karigala Chola. Okay. Nowadays we are living 21st century, but Karigala Chola live in 2nd century. That's why we didn't get any birth and death anniversary of Karigala Chola. Okay. What is the age of Kallanai Dam? Do you know? What is the age? Yes. The Kallanai Dam age was 2000 years old. Okay. But just think nowadays also we get cement bricks like that, but those days how they build this much of dam. Yes, they are using rock and clay only, especially Kallanai Dam uh, built by clay and rocks only. Okay, this age is 2000 years old. Okay, in this is the main resource of the uh, it is the main resource of the Tanjavur, Tiruvarur and Nagapattinam peoples. Okay, if when the rain was when the rainfall is too high, that time the all rainwater is stored in the Kallanai Dam. Then when we need the water, that time the river, the Kallanai Dam was opened. Then our all river also get water. The river in this river water we have to use the paddy field. Okay. The next one is we know very well which one is most important to survive in the world. Yes, water. Without water, we can't live one day also. But can you say where it's the water come from? Where it's come from? Yes, in our home tap. Okay. Uh, how the water tap get water? From water tanks. Very good. But how the water tank get water? From borewell. Very good. From borewell. Okay, how the borewell get water? Yes, if our it's a suck our underground water. Okay, it's suck our underground water. Then we use the borewell water in the upper places. Okay, and but how the underground get water? Because of the rainwater. If we store the rainwater, then only we get underground water, then only we get borewell water, tap water, water tank, like that waters. Okay, if we need the water, if we don't face water shortage, means we must save the water, we must save the rainwater. Okay, uh, let us come to our lesson. This is our chapter 6, every drop counts. This lesson we in this lesson we learn and discussed about the how we save the water, what are the resources mainly used in the field, like that we will discuss it. Okay, see this picture. Do you know what's this place? What is this picture? Yes, I will share. This is a picture of Gasisar. Gasisar means lake. Okay, Gasisar. King Gasi of Jaisalmer. Jaisalmer, it's one of place. This place is located in Rajasthan. Okay, Rajasthan state. In 650 years ago, this lake is built by King Kasi and help of the peoples. Okay, help of the peoples also. Then the lake decorated large halls, rooms, and much more. Then most of the peoples came here to celebrate the festivals also. Then most of the children came to study in this place. Okay, what is the special in this Gasisar lake means the rainwaters collected in this lake spread over many miles. Okay, when the lake was full, the extra water flowed into the another lake. Okay, when the lake was full, the extra water flowed into the another lake. Then when that lake also filled up, the extra water flowed into the next lake. This way, the lake covered the 9 lakes. Okay, this way the all 9 lakes also filled up by the water. But today the Gasisar lake is no more in use. Why means the more new buildings and more buildings. Yes, the more buildings come up in between the 9 lakes. Okay, that's why nowadays the Gasisar lake is useless one. Do you know who is he? Yes, his name was Albirini. He's a traveler. Okay, he's a traveler. Once upon a time, he came to India. Then he write about the Indian peoples in his book. What he wrote means the people here are very skilled at making ponds. Okay, the people are very skilled at making ponds. For example, there are they are pile up huge rocks and join them with the iron rods. Okay, iron rods. Then they make the lake. Between these, there are rows of long staircases and going up and down also. The steps for going up and coming down are separate, so there is less crowding. Then the Indian peoples are very skilled at the making ponds and lakes like that. They are act like a scientist like that. The Albirini wrote about Indian peoples. Okay, if we need more things about our past life, we must read the Albirini book. Okay, do you know this is the step well? Okay, the Albirini also describe about this step well. See this step well, this has more huge number of steps also. That's why we say it is the step well. If we want to take the water means the all village peoples using this step well, then each and every step has two types: climb down and climb up. Okay, each and every steps has the two paths. Okay, then okay, for example, if the rainfall is too high in more in our state, okay, where will the rain water go? Which place the rainwater will go? Just think. Yes, the sand also drink the rainwater. Yes, every day we drink we must drink water. The same way the Sand also drink the water. Do you know how the sand is drinking the water? Yes. If the rain is falling down on the surface, it's a small amount of water only go inside of the sand. Okay, small amount of water only go inside of the sand. Then most of the water is run off. Okay, then it's reach the upper soil layers and deeper soil layers. The next one is most intense rain. If the rain is more intense means the most of the rainwater is runoff. Okay, this small amount of rainwater only come to filtration. Okay, the next one is how we store the rainwater, how we do the rainwater harvesting. It's contain major two steps. The first one is surface water runoff. Okay, the second one is rooftop water harvesting. Okay, in this way the surface water runoff it's come to the groundwater. The roof water harvesting come to the household usage. If we need the water, we directly take the our household water. Okay, the next one is rainwater harvesting. What is mean by rainwater harvesting? Yes, we want to store and save the rainwater. That is called rainwater harvesting. If in our roof get rainwater means it's come down the ground using the tube. Okay, then in our ground the three pits also there. The three pits also connected with the pipes. Okay, connected with the pipes. Then bottom of the three the bottom of the three pits also has some hole. Okay, if the excess of water outflow, uh, the excess of water is coming out from the pit, then it's reached the borewell. It's reached the borewell, then it's automatically the groundwater level is climb up. Okay, if the rainwater level is climb up means we don't want to face any shortage of water. We can use the various thinking, various problems. Okay, the next one is see this picture. This is the Jaisalmer Court. Okay, we know very well the Rajasthan is the desert place. But do you know one thing? The Jaisalmer place get very little rainfall only. The Jaisalmer place get very little rainfall, but do you know it's this place rains for only few days in the entire year. Sometimes not even single drop of water also, single drop of rainfall also. Okay, but the rivers here do not have water all round the year, and but still now most of the villages in this areas did not have a shortage of water. Can you guess why? Why it's so happening? Yes, because the each and every house had a system to collect the rainwater. That's why still now the Rajasthan state, some of the villages don't face any shortage of water. Okay, don't face the shortage of water. But we know very well the Rajasthan is the desert place. But desert place also they no need to worry about the water because they what? Yes, they store the water. They save the rainwater. Okay, dears. In this process, in this rain harvesting process, the each and everyone, he is the businessman here, but he is the labor. It's not a matter. in the rainwater harvesting, the each and every man's eagerly come to join the rainwater harvesting. Okay. See this next picture. The rainwater is uh, most important one of the water resource. Okay. Our grandma, grandpa see the water in the lake. Okay. Our parents see the water uh, while traveling the river. Okay. But we are all see the water in tap only. Some of the times only we can see the river water. Okay. But hereafter, the next generation, definitely they see the water only, the water bottles also. Okay, then the water level is nowadays the gold rate is too high. But coming stage in our children's in coming generation stage, the water cost is too high compared with the gold rate. Nowadays also we didn't we didn't save the rainwater, means definitely the water price is too high. Okay, so please, um everyone, it's the everyone right. Okay, we should save the rainwater. And the next one, do you know, in Uttar Pradesh, in our area, our uncles or our aunties got married, means we go to the temples, then we go to the temples only. But in Uttar Pradesh, and the bride go to the water places. Okay, the bride go to the water places, then and the bride praying the water taps also. If the any water source having to water, means each and every home has water taps. The same way the bride pray the water tap, because without water we can't live. So that's why the bride also praying the water tap. Okay, see this picture. The first one is sand pot, the next one is filtration water, RO water. Which one is good for our health, can you say? Yes, nowadays we forget the sand pot water. I'm correct, but and the sand pot water also filter the bacteria. Okay, filter the bacteria. Then if we filled with if we filled the water in sand pot, means the outer area of sand pot get wet. Do you know why? Because the al bacteria, the sand pot also purify the water. The impurities of waters come out from the pot, because the sand pot has nano holes. Using these holes, the impurity waters, the bacteria also come out from the pot. Okay, so compare with RO water and sand pot water, the sand pot water is very good water for us. Okay, it's the pure stage of water. Do you know, the rainwater is don't get rotten until 6 months. Okay, if the directly we collect the rainwater from the sky, sky means the rainwater is don't rotten, don't spoil at a 6 months also. The same way the sand pot also purify the water, then it kills the bacteria, then the impurities also go out from the sand pot. Okay, the next one is, do you know copper pot? Which are the home has this copper pot? Yes, the copper pot has much more health benefits. Okay, if we store the water using the copper pot, means we have um, more and more health benefits. What are there means, what is this means? It's kill the bacteria, then it improve the digestive system. Then who are all want the weight loss, they must take the copper pot water. Then it's fight with the cancer. Then who are all want to don't get aging means they must drink the copper pot water. Then it's good for our heart. Then it's regulate the thyroid gland. Then if we want the glowing and beautiful skin means we must drink the copper pot water. Okay, the next one is it stimulate the brain. If every day morning if you drink the 1 glass of water means it's good for our body. But if you drink 1 glass of copper pot water means it's give more energy, and then it's give more health benefits for us. Okay, the next one is see this receipt. Do you know what is the receipt? Yes, this is the water tax. Okay, each and every home we must pay the water tax. You ask your parents also must pay the water tax. Okay, what are the in your book page number 58 has one water receipt. Okay, below of this water receipt, your book has some questions. You have to write the correct answer. You have to write the correct answer from the receipt. Okay, the next one is in some of the places there are some groups, they are volunteers. Yes, they are volunteers ready to give the support for the poor peoples. Then which places are haven't any water, this kind of volunteers group ready to help that peoples. Okay, for example, in Rajasthan state, the Darki Mai. Okay, her name was Darki Mai. The woman of the villages, the most of the women of the villages spend their entire day looking their home and animals only. Sometimes they are whole night to pull the water from the well for the animals only. Okay, they kept more animals, so the animals must drink the water. Yes, the animals also need to drink the water. So the women's every night they pull the water from the well. Okay, in summer season the well was dried up that time, and the whole village people decide to leave the village. Then they want to go migrate from others village. But the Turkey Mai only heard about the voluntary groups. Then then she go and ask help to the group. Then the the village peoples and um, the volunteers group also eagerly come to their village. Then they decide to make a lake. Then finally they make a lake in the Rajasthan state. Then nowadays the problem of food and water is now less. Then the peoples get more milk. That's why they earn the more money. Okay, this is the end of our lesson. Okay dears, this is your project work. Make a rainwater harvesting model with your own idea. Okay, with your own idea, make a small rainwater harvesting method using by waste materials. Okay, this is for your reading practice. You in 1986 there was no rain. Jodhpur and the surrounding areas. People remembered the old and forgotten stepwell, and more than 200 trucks of garbage was taken out of it. People of the area collected money. The thirsty town got water from the stepwell. After a few years, it rained well, and again the stepwell was forgotten. You must take the video and send it in our group. Okay, this is for your speaking practice. How can we control the wastage of water? Sorry, it's not a rainwater. How can we control the wastage of rainwater? Okay, wastage of rainwater. As a students, how do you avoid this kind of problem? Okay, okay dears, this is our end of the lesson. We will meet soon. Bye. Thank you.